Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Idioms Explained podcast. This is Season 2, Episode 19 on Learn English by English. I'm your host, Emily.
And I'm Alex. Great to be with you. Emily, before we talk about giving up today, let's see who didn't give up on the What's Alex's Idiom Challenge from S2E19.
Let's do it. Last time, Alex, you described your friend who complained constantly about her job, but never took any action to change her situation.
I did. And we asked our listeners which idiom from Season 1 might relate to her words not being matched by deeds or her lack of effective action. This was a bit more interpretive. A strong contender from Season 1, focusing on the idea that what you do matters more than what you say, would be actions speak louder than words.
Actions speak louder than words, indeed. Her complaints, words, were loud, but her lack of action to change things spoke even louder about her current state of inertia. Well done to those who connected that. You can find that idiom in Episode 3 of this current season, Season 2. Another instance where the best fit might be a recent idiom. It's a good test for our listeners to connect concepts broadly. For a Season 1 specific idiom, perhaps if she was taking on too much by not addressing the job and letting it affect her, bite off more than you can chew, S2E19, could be a stretch, or if she was simply not trying to hit the books, S112, on job searching. It's a tricky link sometimes.
It is. The core concept was the disconnect. Actions speak louder than words captures it well. Thanks for the thoughtful guesses, everyone. Now, Emily, what idiom are we looking at today that signifies admitting defeat?
Today, Alex, we're discussing a very visual idiom, to throw in the towel.
To throw in the towel. That sounds like giving up or surrendering. It means to admit defeat or to stop trying to do something because you realize you can't succeed, right?
Exactly. It's a clear signal that someone is conceding defeat or abandoning an effort. For example, after trying for hours to fix the old computer, he finally threw in the towel and decided to buy a new one.
It implies that you've reached a point where you see no hope of success. What's the origin of this phrase, Emily? Does it come from a sport?
Yes, it comes directly from boxing, Alex. In a boxing match, when a boxer's trainer or manager believes their fighter is too badly beaten and cannot safely continue, they would literally throw a towel into the ring as a signal to the referee to stop the fight. This act signifies conceding defeat on behalf of their boxer.
That's a very clear and dramatic origin. So the towel is a symbol of surrender. For instance, the company was losing money for years, and eventually they had to throw in the towel and declare bankruptcy.
Precisely. Or she tried various diets, but none of them worked, so she threw in the towel and decided to accept herself as she was. It can be about accepting a situation after repeated failed attempts.
So it's not just about encountering a difficulty, but about reaching a point of acknowledgement that further effort is futile or too costly. It's a conscious decision to stop.
Well said. It's different from just taking a break. It signifies a more definitive end to the struggle or effort in that particular context.
It's a powerful idiom for those moments of concession. So, to summarize for our listeners, to throw in the towel means to admit defeat or to give up on something.
A perfect summary, Alex. Now, let's hope our listeners don't throw in the towel on today's What's Alex's Idiom Challenge from Season 1.
Let's hope they fight to the end for the right answer. Here's today's scenario. My friends and I were planning a camping trip. One friend suggested a remote location with no facilities, while another wanted a comfortable campsite with showers and electricity. We found a place that was in nature but also had some basic amenities, so everyone was happy. Which idiom from Season 1 best describes the solution that satisfied both groups by offering advantages from two different types of camping?
Finding a compromise that pleases everyone is always great. Listeners, what do you think? Which Season 1 idiom describes a solution that combines the benefits of two different options? Don't throw in the towel. Get your answers in the comments.
We're looking forward to your winning guesses. And that's our time for this episode.
Thanks for joining us for Season 2, Episode 19 of Idioms Explained podcast. Make sure you're subscribed to Learn English by English and hit that notification bell. We'll never throw in the towel on bringing you great English lessons.
We're committed to your learning journey. Until next time, everyone.
Bye for now.